Hi, I'm Kusal Tiwankar. This is my project architecture. This is my GitHub repository. Let's try to push a new code. Okay. Push to my GitHub repository. Then go to the staging branch. You can see there's my commit. Let's try to create a pull request. Let's wait for the TF security. Okay, now you can see my security report is successful. Then let's try to merge this one. In the action, you can see my deployment GitHub action started. Okay, now you can see my Terraform deployment and Ansible deployment successfully through the GitHub action. This is my Terraform network file. This is the Terraform network apply command. You can see this is my outputs. Now let's check the web server. And the web server, you can see this is my resource. For the application load balancer, this is my load balancer DNS name. This is my Ansible execution. Okay, now let's check our resources through the AWS. Okay, now you can see these are my instance. I successfully deploy 6 instance, 5 web servers and one one VM. Let's try to we can check the load balancer. This is my project load balancer. This is the DNS name. Okay, now you can see my load balance also working perfect. Now currently it's serving through this VM. Its private IP is this, and it's deploy using Terraform. Let's try to refresh it. Okay, now it's now my web server serving from this VM, and it's also deployed from Terraform. When now my web server deploying from this VM, it's deployed from the Ansible. Now this one. There is four web servers. I can access those four web servers through this load balancer. Two of them are deployed by Terraform and two of them are deployed by Ansible. Okay, now let's check let's try to log into our instance. Okay, first let's try to log in our version host is in web server 2. Connect and connect. Okay, I will successfully connect to the migration host. Now let's try to connect to my private web service and private instance. First of all, we need to get the key pair file, private key pair file. I copy my private key pair file. I paste my key pair file. Now let's try to log in to a private. This one is a private web server VM. You can see there is no public IP. Okay, we copy the private IP. Here, let's go and copy the thing. This one, and let's go here, paste. Okay, now you can see I am able to log into my private VM through the Bayesian host. Let's check my web server using curl command. 10.1.5.65. Okay, now you can see this is my web server. Okay, and now let's try again to connect to my other instance also. This one. Connect. Copy. Okay, now I'm able to log into my other private virtual machine also. Okay, this is my local repository. Let's try to run our Terraform and Ansible command through the local repository. Before that, we need to destroy our AWS resources because we already deployed through the GitHub action. Okay, now I will demonstrate my Terraform code deployment on the local repository. Okay, now you can see my Terraform deployment successfully. Now I need to deploy my Ansible code as well. To do that, let's go to Ansible folder. Okay, in that folder I have my playbook. This is the inventory. Okay, I will show the inventory also. Ansible. This is my inventory graph. When I deploy in the instance through the Terraform, I add a tag. If I need to deploy web server from the Terraform, I add the Terraform tag name called Terraform. If I need to deploy my web server through the Ansible, I add a tag called Ansible. I will show my code as well. Here I filter from this one. So now let's try to run the Ansible. From this command, sorry, from this command I can run my Ansible. Oh, sorry, not Ansible. You can see my Ansible. You can see my Ansible will host the web server. Now let's go to the instance and check the new instance. This web server 5 developed by Ansible. Sorry, web server 3 and 4 built by Ansible. Web 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3 built by Terraform. Let's check the load balancer here.
Bro, I am here for past 4 months.
Okay, you can see my Ansible code also deployed successfully and my load balancer working perfect. Thank you.